Here, you can view all hotel bookings in a clean and organized format. Bookings are automatically categorized into upcoming, ongoing, completed, inquiry, and cancel sections, helping your staff manage guest flow efficiently. In the upcoming section, you can view all future reservations from every booking source, including online travel agencies, direct bookings, and the HotelX booking engine, all in one centralized dashboard. Each booking provides complete reservation details, including guest information, check-in and check-out dates, room type, booking source, booking ID, and total amount. This allows front desk teams to access booking information instantly without manual searching. With built-in search and filter options, staff can quickly locate reservations and manage large booking volumes with ease. To create a new reservation, simply select the room, enter the required guest details, and upload the guest ID if needed. You can also add additional guests, apply discounts, include add-ons, and then click Create Booking to confirm the reservation. Once the booking is created, it will automatically appear in the upcoming booking section, ready for further guest processing. For faster front desk operations, HotelX also provides express check-in and payment link options, allowing staff to complete guest arrivals quickly and efficiently. During check-in, staff can capture essential guest information such as arrival location, destination, and purpose of travel. Once the required details are saved, simply click Check-in to move the reservation from upcoming bookings to the ongoing booking section, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free guest arrival experience. When the guest is ready to depart, the reservation can be opened directly from the ongoing booking section. If any payment is pending, staff can instantly send a payment link to the guest and track the outstanding balance directly within the booking. The system clearly displays room charges, taxes, deposits, and any remaining dues, allowing staff to complete the checkout process with complete accuracy. Once all payments are settled, simply click Checkout and the booking will automatically move to the completed booking section, maintaining a clear and organized reservation lifecycle from arrival to departure. After checkout is completed, the reservation is automatically moved to the completed booking section, from where you can send a feedback link to the guest to collect feedback about their overall stay experience. Also, staff can access the booking history and download the guest invoice,
which is automatically generated by the system during checkout. This ensures accurate billing, easy record management, and quick access to past reservation details whenever required.